Welcome to this video explaining the key changes in the new version 8 of the IFS Food standard. The main objectives of the standard review were as follows: align with new Codex Alimentarius General Principles of Hygiene, align with ISO 22003-2, decrease the reporting time for auditors while keeping the same level of quality in the report information, reduce doctrine rules and include them in the standard, harmonize the terminology, and consider stakeholder feedback from the IFS Food version 7. The new version 8 was published in April 2023. Audits to the new version are possible from October 1st and become mandatory from January 1st, 2024. The objectives were reviewed, updated, and published in version 8 as follows. The B score is now a deviation for regular and knockout requirements. The unannounced audits rule is clarified. Claims are possible on the IFS certificate scope. The reporting time is improved, and the end of audit letter is simplified. The sequence of requirements is enhanced. Terminology is better harmonized, terms are clarified, and there are 4 new checklist requirements. Requirements to get qualified for product and tech scopes are simplified. AIP is embedded in the general qualification process. Conversion rules are modified. Non-exclusive peer reviewers is added. The audit reporting rules are clarified, and filling of the A-score compulsory fields is simplified. Version 8 has the same structure as version 7, but has changes in each part. Most parts of the version 7 doctrine are included in version 8. In part 1, the numbering of charts has changed and 2 new tables have been added. Chart 1 on product and process approach, and Chart 2 on the different audit types. Part 2 has 5 chapters instead of 6, as food defense is now under Chapter 4.21. Part 3 changes are mostly related to requirements for auditors and peer reviewers. The qualification rules have been improved. Part 4 has been significantly reduced as a manual will be available to describe all the reporting rules previously included in Parts 1 and 4. The manual is available soon together with the reporting software. The annexes were updated as follows. In Annex 7, the action plan is now exactly the same as the one in the software. Annex 8 includes 2 situations, one with 1 or more major nonconformities, and one without a major and result of less than 75%. Annexes 10 and 11 have new report and certificate templates. Many definitions were removed, added, and changed in the glossary. In version 8, the term assessment is now audit. The recently published ISO 22003-2-2022 Food Safety Part 2 reads, requirements for bodies providing evaluation and certification of products, processes and services, including an audit of the food safety system, has defined the term audit exactly as has IFS. For instance, the audit is a combination of various evaluation activities, including inspection, testing, and the management system. This norm also includes requirements for ISO IEC 17065 based certification audits, such as audit duration, auditor competencies, industry categories, and sampling rules for multi-site audits. The definition of claim is located in the glossary. In general, all claims are not allowed apart from geographical indication schemes. For example, it is still not allowed to write gluten-free or vegan on an IFS food scope. The exception is made for geographical indication schemes as they provide valuable information about the products. For example, it is challenging to describe a champagne without using the term champagne. This applies to products manufactured worldwide. Note, TSG are deliberately not in the scope as they are not geographical indication schemes. A failed unannounced audit counts, even if the audit lasted only a few minutes. For example, when a knockout was identified very early during the audit. A failed announced audit does not count. This rule started on January 1, 2021 and is therefore applicable for all IFS Food standard versions. The new STAR status will apply for certifications based on an unannounced audit. The STAR status is visible in the IFS database and on the certificate. The STAR is removed when the company goes back to an announced audit. The STAR encourages companies to maintain this status and it makes the achievement visible for business partners. Note though, food safety checks still exist, but they won't replace a full IFS Food unannounced audit. The checklist is reduced from 6 chapters to 5 as defense is now added to Chapter 4. There are some minor wording updates in 6 of the knockout requirements, such as the word applied now reads documented, implemented, and maintained. Knockouts number 4 and 5 have switched order, and there are significant changes to 4 of the requirements. Knockout number 4 has the addition of a testing and monitoring plan. Knockout number 7 includes the clarification of type of packaging. Knockout 8, internal audit frequency, is within every 12 months. And knockout number 9 includes a broader list of minimum topics to be included in the withdrawals, recalls, and incidents procedure. The main changes in Part 3 are to auditor and reviewer requirements, onboarding candidate profiles wishing to become auditors, and IFS tools to support auditors preparing for the exams. IFS Food version 8 comes with Audit Express Neo. The benefits of the new software include combining audits of several IFS standards. In this case, the general data such as the master data, company profile, and audit or assessment details need only be added once. An intuitive tab structure allows adding different information per standard or program. Checklist loading time is fast. A search function helps to navigate within the checklists. There is a validation function to check for errors. For more information and to stay in touch, please visit our website at ifscertification.com, sign up for the IFS Food newsletter, and follow us on LinkedIn.